That's your alarm clock. Except it's not for tomorrow morning, it's for 6 years from now. 2030 is closer than your next vacation. And if you're still relying on the skills you learned back in 2020, you're already falling behind. There are two types of people in 2026. Those who are panicking about AI taking their job, and those who are learning to build the AI. By 2030, one group will be struggling to find work. The other will be working from a beach house in Bali. Guess which one you want to be? Coffee shop? Uses AI for inventory. Your bank? Uses cloud computing. Your kid's school? Needs cybersecurity. Tech is literally everywhere. The question isn't, should I learn this? It's, how fast can you learn it? The future belongs to those who learn faster than others. Today, we're breaking down the 10 high-income skills that will dominate 2030. Some will surprise you, some will scare you, but ignoring them? That's the only real mistake. Number 1, AI and machine learning development. We're not just using apps anymore, we're building intelligent systems that automate the future. Why does this matter? AI will impact every industry and create millions of high-paying jobs. If you can build the brain, you name your price. Number 2, data analysis. Data is the new oil, but crude oil is useless unless you refine it. Companies are drowning in data. They need people who can turn that mess into insights and drive smart decisions. Data-driven professionals will lead the future economy. But I'm bad at math. I hear you. You don't need to be a statistician. You need to ask the right questions and use the right tools. Start there. Number 3, cybersecurity. Every time we move online, we expose ourselves. Cyber threats are rising faster than ever. Protecting systems, data, and digital identities isn't just IT, it's survival. And companies are desperate for experts. Number 4, no-code and low-code development. This is where people get confused. They think, I need to be a hacker or a computer science genius to be in tech. In 2030, some of the highest paid people in the room won't write a single line of traditional code. They'll build apps and automate workflows by dragging and dropping. It empowers innovators and saves companies time and money. You can build $1 million business from your bedroom right now. Reality check. No code doesn't mean no thinking. You still need logic and creativity. But the barrier to entry? Basically gone. Number 5, cloud computing. Where does all this data live? The cloud. If you think the cloud is just storing photos, you're missing a career that pays $150,000 without a degree. Every company is moving to the cloud. Very few people actually know how to manage it. That's your opening. Number 6, content creation and personal branding. Listen closely. Attention is the new currency. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows who you are, you don't exist. Create content that connects and builds influence. Personal brands win. But the market is oversaturated. That's a lie told by people who quit after 3 videos. There's always room for someone who is real, helpful, and consistent. Number 7, financial literacy and investing. Hustle culture is dying. Smart wealth building is the future. You need to understand money, invest wisely, and build long-term wealth. Because working hard is great, but making your money work for you? That's how you get freedom. Number 8, critical thinking and problem solving. AI can write an email, summarize a document, even write basic code. But it struggles with complex, messy human problems. Machines cannot replace human judgment and creativity. If you can make better decisions under pressure, you are invaluable. Number 9, adaptability and continuous learning. This is the meta skill. The skill of learning how to learn. You have to be willing to unlearn old habits and relearn new ones. Change is constant. The learners will inherit the future. Not the graduates, not the experienced, but the learners. Number 10, storytelling. Data gets the logic, but stories get the heart. To lead, to sell, to inspire, you have to connect. And storytelling is how you do it. That's 10. Overwhelmed? That's the feeling of realizing you have options. Most people never get that feeling because they never look up from their daily grind. Look at that list. Tech is everywhere. Demand is exploding. These skills offer location freedom, high income, and future-proof careers. The question isn't, can I learn them? It's, will I start? Here's the hard truth. The best time to learn these was yesterday. But the second best time is right now. Stop planning. Start doing. The future is created by what you learn today. You don't have to learn all 10. Pick one. Spend 30 minutes a day on it for 6 months. That's roughly 90 hours. Do you know what happens after 90 hours of focused learning? You become better than 90% of the population at that thing. Then you charge more. Then you win.